Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry I haven't posted for a while, that's only because of school and stuff, but I did get a suggestion from someone called Moneyboy on Discord, and he wanted to know how to make a safe zone, so I'm just going to show you that today. So I'm going to insert a part. I'm going to go make the transparency to 0.8, make it like a greenish color. Then I'm going to turn Canclite off and anchor it on. And I'm going to go 20, 1, 20, just so I get the right size that I wanted. And so that is going to be our actual safe zone. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to insert a screen GUI, and I'm going to name it safe. Then I'm going to insert a text label. I'm not going to actually decorate or anything, I'm just going to change the text to "You are in safe zone," so the player knows that they're in the safe zone. I'm going to make this invisible by clicking visible, and then we'll just work on the scripting for this. So what we're going to do is insert a script, and we're going to go script.parent.touch connect function. We're going to in here go hit. Then we're going to go hit.parent parent.humanoid max health equals math.huge, which is just getting a random giant number. Now I'm going to copy all this, I'm going to paste it down here, but I'm going to get rid of the max, so it's just going to be health. Make sure you put the max health above health though, otherwise the script will not work. Then we're going to be duplicating this by holding Control D. We're going to move it out of the way so we can actually tell. Then we're actually going to move them out of the way. Now in this one, we're going to change this script to 100. And 100. And also in this script, if we want the GUI to come up, we're going to go game.players get play from character hit.parent wait for child player GUI. Then we're going to go safe, or whatever we've named this, mine's got a capital S. Then we're going to go text label visible equals true. Now we're going to copy all this line. I'm going to paste it into this script, and we're going to change the true to false, so that you don't see it when you're out of the safe zone. So now we're going to just change the size of this. I'm just going to move it one start off. Now I'm going to duplicate it again by pressing Control D. Then I'm going to press Control R, which will rotate it. Then I'm going to drag it just so all the corners hit each other, and there's no way to actually glitch out with having infinite health. Then I'm going to select both of them by holding Control and clicking both of them. Then you're going to press Control D, Control R, and then you should have a big square around your safe zone. Now you can move this safe zone to try and be like centered or something, but I'm not really going to worry about that. Now we're going to select all of these, and I'm going to make the transparency to 1 so you cannot see them. So now I'm going to hit play here, and let's test it out. So what I've done is a bit of a cheat way of actually doing this, but you can do this anyway. So I'm going to hit workspace, open that up, and you click humanoid, and you can see where's health stuff, and there. I don't know why it tells me that stuff. Then you are in safe zone and the health is infinity, and then you go out of it and it's only 100. And again, infinity, then only 100. So guys, I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and possibly even join my Discord server, where you can suggest videos, and I will most likely do them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!